Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can select the background with the help of generative fill option in the Adobe Firefly website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website of the Adobe Firefly, and then we have to choose the option generative fill, and then we need to upload the picture. So for example, I'm going to upload a picture here. So as you can see now, the generative fill option is here. So we have to click on the upload image, and then we need to choose the image, that which image you want to upload. For example, I want to upload this one, or you can choose whatever you want. For example, I'm going to apply this one, so let's choose this. So as you can see, I have choose this image. Now what we need to do, simply you have to click on the select background, and after clicking on the select background, it will make you a background selection. So as you can see now, the background selection is done. Now if you want to add any kind of other thing, you can also do that. Now as you can see, the background is selected. Now if you want to add any kind of other thing, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to add like the sitting in a plan. So as you can see now, let's press the generate, and after clicking on generate, it will generate according to your provided prompt. So let's see the result, and we have to wait for a few seconds until it generates the result. So as you can see now, it's here, it's according to our data. If you want to keep like this, you can also do that. If you want to cancel this, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to write some changes like the plan, and then we have to click on the generate, and after clicking on the generate, it will generate the result again. So let's see how it's going. There was a spelling mistake. Make sure whenever you are writing or the providing the command, that should be correctly the grammatically and the spelling mistakes as well. So as you can see now, it's done. Now it will look like a realistic. So in this way, if you want to keep this, you have to click on the keep. If you want to cancel it, you can also do that. So in this way, you can remove the background, change the background in Adobe Firefly. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.